Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today's Sunday, so we usually do a summary of my finances for the week. Some people call it loud budgeting. Every week I allocate £70 for food shopping for me, my grown-up son, and our pets, a cat, a dog and a goldfish. And I'm currently decluttering the house. So I sell some of my clutter on eBay, the rest goes to the charity shop, so I usually tell if I've had any eBay sales. Plus I'm saving up for my emergency fund, which I recently restarted again because I had to spend it because I had some house things that I needed to replace, like an electric shower. I write down my finances in a little journal, planner, diary, whatever you want to call it, and I like to have it written down, so as things go on I write in. So let's have a little look, see what I've been up to. Monday I had no shopping. Tuesday I wrote the shopping on Monday because I didn't have the room. So I went to Iceland and spent £2, Asda 14.43 and Home and Bargains 31. I usually allocate separately £12 to go to Home and Bargains. I spent more than usual because I bought a big bag of dog biscuits and some wood for the fire, because the other day I was freezing and I wanted to get some wood in, so I got a bag of kindling and a big bag of wood. The kindling's £2.50 and the big bag of wood's £5, so it's just there in case I'm feeling cold. And so I've taken 16 out of that 31 towards pet stuff, because I include pet stuff in our budget, and the other 15 was for toiletries. The stuff that you need for everyday life. B&Q delivered the tile adhesive for the doorstep tiles and the last tub for the bathroom. I went to Bernardo's and I picked up some cushions and jeans because I'm currently making cushions. I'm on a cushion quest. I'm hoping to make about 20 odd to scatter throughout the house, so some sort of consistency of design, because I've got disparate designs in each room. And I saved £25 with Trading 212. It's a cash ISA, and what I like about their cash ISA is it's 4.1% return, and you can get the money out the same day usually, so it's good if you do have an emergency, it's there. I'm aiming for £2,000, that's my medium term goal, because I want a bare bones budget of £600 a month, so for 3 months that's £1,800, and £200 for just in case I need to take the cat or the dog to the vets, because I haven't got pet insurance at the moment. I just think I got fed up with it because I think there were so many exclusions. What was the point in it? And I just think it was another bill and more money going out, so I'm just gonna at the moment just leave it as saving. So long term I'd like double that 4,000, but I'm just trying to keep it low in my mind so it doesn't seem insurmountable. So let's get back to this. Wednesday, no shopping, but I did do a little bit of tiling. Thursday, I went to Aldi and Asda, which came to just under £9. I did spend an additional £5 on burgers, but my son gave me the money for that, so I've not included that in my total. Friday, no spend again, so just did a little bit more tiling. Saturday I just went to local Tesco's to pick up milk, pop and water. My son wanted some pop, so we drink bottled water because I'm worried about the state of British water at the moment. Excuse me, because of all the poop in the waterways. So every night I fill the kettle up with water that's boiled, so in the morning we've got fresh water that's boiled, so I can use it for the pets, the boiled water, or any cooking, and the bottled water is for me and my son to drink. I just think, it's just a bit iffy, isn't it? So it's probably overcautious, but there you go. And this week I've had no eBay sales. I'm not spending any money today. So this is my running total for food. So 16, then another 16 from the Home and Bargains, 31, £9 on Aldi and Asda, and the £5 the other yesterday. That comes to £46. So I usually allocate 70. So I was £24 under budget, so that makes up for me taking £25 away in savings. No eBay sales, but it's always quiet in summer because people are on holiday or they're saving for uniforms or they're out and about having nice days out. So I get why it's always quiet. So let me know if you're saving for emergency fund as well, or you're doing well. I've had to restart mine because I had to get a new shower and it plumbed in and all the rest of it, and some electrics fixing. So mine was rapidly gone in no time. So I'm back to square one again. But as I said, I'm up to 220 now. So yeah, getting there. So thanks so much for me listening to me ramble. I hope you're well, because things are just a bit mad out there, aren't they, at the moment? I just try my best to stay away from the news, because it's just, every time I watch it, I think, oh God, what now? And if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe? Bye for now.